My name is Mohammed Bilal, and I am the managing partner of Wall Street Realtors. Wall Street Realtors was founded back in 2016, where we started off our first journey with Parkview City being the authorized sales partner of it. And since then, we are working with them as authorized sales partner. And then we moved our journey towards the high-rise projects also. And then we also moved towards different societies such as a new Metro City, Gujar Khan, City Housing Society, Khariyan, Beria Enclave, Beria Town, DHA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we covered all these societies in the last 6 years. Basically, Wall Street Realtors is a marketing and sales agency where we are taking care of the sales and marketing all in-house. Initially, Wall Street Realtors was a project of IT Reliable. That was a marketing company, but then after a few years, both of these companies merged together, and then we worked as a joint venture to grab the opportunities in the market in the field of real estate. So the first ever project that was sold by Wall Street Realtors with Parkview City was of the overseas block that was announced in 2018. It was an idea of the minister, whose name is Aleem Khan, and then it was matured by the Parkview City authorized sales partners and their team. We were the first one to sell the overseas block in Parkview City, and since then it's a history that now Parkview City is being matured enough, and now we are moving towards the map revealing on 5th of November also. So in a while, we are going to take you to the Parkview City ourselves, and we'll give you a walkthrough and a drive-through of overseas block where you can see the existing progress. So as promised, we are now at the overseas block. इसकी जो main entrance है, that comes from there. जो हमारा J block की entrance है, A और B block के बिल्कुल सामने, वहाँ से we have an entrance for the overseas block. और overseas block में जैसे हम enter होते हैं तो we have a J block on the right and on the left. और आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पे एक J block की library भी है, जो कि इन लोगों ने the Parkview City is going to have it launched within few months. And you know the construction work is going on, everything is working very fine. The speed, they are pacing up with the speed as far as the development and construction is concerned. So यहाँ पे जहाँ पे मैं खड़ा हुआ हूँ, यहाँ पे हमारा J block ख़त्म हो जाता है. And from here, if we move left, if we move straight, or if we move right, it's all overseas block. इसकी जो अब construction timelines हमें what we are anticipating is we are going to cover this overseas block in terms of possession in the next 1.5 years. So what we are anticipating and seeking is the people will be having their own housing projects started off in terms of development in the next 1.5 years. Moreover, ये एक ऐसी location है जहाँ पर आप you can also look for some good cottage where you can come in your vacations and sit and have some relaxed time. You can see that there are all the mountains covered with this society. It's all covered with Murray Mountains and Magala Hills. यहीं से जो back है हमें Simli Dam भी मिलता है, इसकी left पे हमें बाराकाऊ मिलता है. So हमारे पास multiple access points हैं इस society में enter होने के लिए. It's not only the Kuri Road that we talk about. We talk about Simli Dam entrance, we talk about Barakau entrance, and then we talk about the Beria Enclave entrance. So looking forward for the people to come over here and invest, and also for having one beautiful home in Islamabad. I believe that Parkview is the best choice.